Hi everyone, I am at Puzzle It Jamaica. We just wrapped up our, what should I call it now, our photo shoot for our review of this escape room experience. I'm here with Natasha.
Hi.
Right, and you'll hear all about what we like about Puzzle It Jamaica pretty soon on Jamaicans.com and on LiveWellJA.com. As you come in, just tell me where you are watching from. We are live from 42 Elizabeth Avenue. That's off Red Hills Road in Kingston. And this weekend, even though we are at Puzzle It Jamaica, it's the graduation weekend. So many university students or final year students have completed their degree programs and are graduating. And I have a graduate from the University of Technology here. Yeah?
Not yet.
Not yet? Not graduating as yet?
Not yet.
What's your name?
Vanessa.
Vanessa. Alright, I know you're pretty much complete with your studies, right? But what is your message to all the graduates out there? Like on the top of your head, like what can you say to graduates out there?
Good luck in the work world, basically.
Is it easy in the work world? It's not easy. It's not
not
easy.
not easy.
Yeah. And just have an open mind. I mean, my job in media, it's dynamic. You never know when you're gonna sink or float. Alright, and we have Yannick over here.
Hey!
Where did you graduate from?
Still haven't graduated.
Okay.
I went to Edna Manley College. Yeah, so.
What's your message to all the graduates?
Just be prepared for, what's to come, the good and the bad. Because in the end, it'll all make sense after a while. It will make sense. So just keep the good fight.
And you have anybody out there who is graduating?
Actually no, not right now.
No family friend, no. Okay, let me know if you know somebody who's graduating. My cousin is graduating from the University of Technology tomorrow. Her ceremony is tomorrow and it starts at 8 o'clock in the morning. I'll see if I can carry updates there. You guys are a bit quiet today. You usually tell me what's happening. Tell me where you are. I know the Puzzle It Jamaica team have some people graduating. Can you tell me who they are and you want to send a big up?
Oh yeah, hey everyone, my name is Natasha, as I said before, and we have two persons here with us. We have Shavane, one of our hosts, as well as Chrisanne, and they're both graduating for the University of the West Indies.
Yeah.
Good luck, guys. It's not going to be easy, but guess what? You've worked hard, you've done so much, and it can only get better after this.
So the graduation is easy, right?
No.
The graduation is not easy?
Oh, of course, guys, you have achieved so much. I mean, this is an achievement, an accomplishment.
Oh, yes.
Feel good, have fun. It is your day to just gloat and say, hey, I've done 3 to 4 years and I've earned it. So give me a chance, right?
And take some time for yourself,
right?
As Natasha said, like, come to Puzzle It Jamaica and do an escape room. And just be grateful for all the people who helped you along the way. Don't forget them. And just I always say be open-minded, because you don't know, the work world is so dynamic and you don't know exactly what you're going to be thrown into, or what job position, whatever it is. But just be open-minded and accept it, and just know that the learning continues, right?
Yay!
Alright, so I won't be here for long. I'm going to see if I can bring snippets of the graduation ceremony at the University of Technology tomorrow, and I will definitely share with you our review of Puzzle It Jamaica. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, be good.